Welcome back friends, this is Ramesh Sharma here. So today in this OP series we are going to learn the inheritance in classes here. So in the previous video we learned about public, private and protected that are access modifiers in the classes, and we also made functions here, public functions, and these are the properties or the functions. And we also saw that how we can return private and protected protected variable or any protected property. So today we will learn about inheritance in class. So inheritance means the one class will inherit all the properties of another class, and we can also make more properties of that class. So we will learn about that, how we can inherit that class, how we can copy the properties of one class to the another class, and we will see the private and protected difference with the help of inheritance. So let's start it. So now, what is inheritance? So inheritance is nothing. It is simple. The to inherit the property of another class. Meaning, if we are creating another class, then it will. If we will extend the class with the help of first class, then it will inherit all the properties of first class. So let's see. It's practically here. So here will be comment inherited class. So here is first class here. So let's create one class. Here it will be class inherited class. So you can write any name here. You can write any name like inherited class or class 2 or class 3. So if you want to, so first of all let's create one class here. So and I will write public $name inherited class. So let's go to our index page and let's remove all this. Here is our first object and here is our second object. So second object we will create from this our second class. So now we haven't inherited the class here, so let's var dump this, var dump second object. Let's see this. Go to our browser and let's refresh this. See that what we are getting, there is just one inheritance, there is just one property here. So and let's move further. So now let's inherit the class here. So I am commenting my first object here. So let's copy this class properties here. To inherit the class, simply write here class name and then extends, and after that this first class name. After the extend there will be a class name in which from which you want to inherit the properties. So when I will save this, so our class is now first class is copied. So when I will run this, so now before refreshing, see that there is just one property here. So when I will reload this, see that there are 4 properties here. See that there is name, inherited class, and channel name, fully word web tutorials, and there is address here, but this class is private. This everything here. So the name is $name is replaced by the inherited class. So we have our inherited properties here. So Now we have to write another name here, name inherited. So when I will save this, so when I will reload this, see that now we have 5 properties here. Name inherited, that is the property of not inherited class, and other all properties are of previous class. So if this class is inherited, so now we can only use we can only make this object here, object of this class. We can also make object of this class, our first class, but it is a rule, or it will be very good if you make the inherited class. So if you make the project of if you make the object of first class here and did not make the project of inherited class, so there is a no mean of inherited class. So this extend first class, that will be the class name. So after writing this, these all properties will be copied to this class here. These all property will be copied to this class here. So let's return this property here. So let's do private, copy this, and here will be our public. Here will be our public function, and now function will be private inherited class. So now we will try to return this value. So here will be return $, this. Why we are using $, this? Because these all properties are copied to this class here, so we can use this because these are properties also in this class, also inherited class, so we can use this also here, this and this address name, copy this and this. Now let's see we are returning the private property from the another class. So let's echo $, second object, arrow function, and this private function. Copy this and paste this here, and now let's try. See that undefined property inheritance class $address. See that here the address is private, but it is of first class. So now there is a difference that we can access this private property only in this class. We cannot access private property in inherited class. This will give error as it is a private property of parent class. See that here undefined property, it will not give us the inherited class here. So when we will return, copy this, paste this, then when we will return protected here, so let's reload it. See that India, we are getting India here. So let me write BR tag also here. So concatenate BR, reload it. See that we can access protected property here, but we cannot access private property here. So the difference between private and protected is, so here is private and protected. In private we cannot access, let's make it more, we cannot access anywhere except in the original class. But whereas where this we can access everywhere. We can access everywhere in other classes. In other classes, here will be except. In other classes except in public, except in outside the class. So there is this main difference here. So we can access private property within a class only, and whereas we can access protected property in other classes, as we can inherit that protected property in other classes, but we cannot inherit private property here. So these are the meaning, but the main common is there. We cannot access these properties directly to our index page. So this was the difference, and this is just our inheritance here. We can also inherit the function here. So when I will copy this is a public function address print. So copy this again here. When I will try to access this, see that we made the object of this inherited class here, and it has the properties of first class also this class properties here. So let's see, save this, address print, reload this. See that we can access Punjab here. See that we can access, because this is a public here. If I will make private, I will make this private also. So when I will reload this, see that we will get an error, because this is a private method, we cannot access private. So when I will write protected here, so when I will reload this, see that there is getting error, because we are using this directly. So if we want to use protected here, so we can return the function here. Copy this, and here will be our function. So we will return this function here, and after that we will remove this. See that we will get our Punjab here. So this is just a introduction to inheritances class. So we will use all this in our project here. So in the next video we are going to see how we can what is the difference between what is inherited classes that we done here, and after that in the next class we will done about constructor here, and after that static variables, what are static variables and static functions. So for today it is enough. At last, thanks for watching. If you have queries, then please comment in the comment section. I will definitely respond to it, and please like and subscribe this video, subscribe this channel. So at last, thanks for watching.